Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. Today I have another perfume from Swiss Arabian because I know that a lot of you guys are looking for great Middle Eastern fragrances or Arabic fragrances. So today I have Spirit of Valencia from Swiss Arabian. So I'm going to show you, this is the sample. Actually I have bought two others from them. So I'm going to review them in the next few videos. Right now, this is Spirit of Valencia. One thing I really love about it is that it opens like this. So a lot of samples I get, they have something, you have to unpack it and mostly it got broken. So I love how they have, presented the sample and it's very easy to get out and spray. So let's spray it and see how it actually evolves. So it has a cap. Okay, so it's apple, citrus, very lovely start. Yes, it's aromatic. For me, I think it is a very good summer fragrance. So if you are looking for a summer fragrance or wearing in a high heat, this is a good one. A bit overly sweet for me, for my taste. I love perfumes that are not very heavily sweet, or not very candy type, apple candy type of vibe into them. I think it is very similar to a perfume. I think I have reviewed that. It is YSL perfume. I'm going to put the thumbnail of that perfume over here. It is very similar to that. Apples, a bit spicy, aromatic, fruity citrus. So very lovely balance of fruits and citrus. Very fresh, aromatic apples, green apples. It is kind of like green apples are mixed with some citrus, with a little bit of maybe. Yes, it is kind of, for me, I think if I would wear it, I would really wear it in very high heat summers, or when there's, August or maybe July, August and September. In my part of the region in the world, Pakistan, it is very hot in August and even in September. Yes, it is very similar to that perfume. I think it was YSL, very famous perfume of YSL. And it is very, I think it is a very good copy of that, clone of that perfume. So Spirit of Valencia, citrus, apples, green, aromatic, fresh. It's kind of like sweet, not too much sweet for me. I think it is a bit of balance. I can wear it, I think. I have seen very bad reviews for this one. I think 3.8. For me, I think it is a clone of that YSL perfume, but I don't find much chemicals roaming around over here and there. It is a good clone. So my allergies are kicking in. Yes, so this is my review about Spirit of Valencia from Swiss Arabian. I hope you have enjoyed this, and if you have used it or you have used similar perfumes, do let me know in the comment section below. And make sure you subscribe, because I think a lot of my viewers, they are not subscribers. Please subscribe, because it gives me, more passion to make more videos about perfumes, because I had something in mind that when you review a perfume, you should be very honest about it. I have seen people that they don't say that I hate it or I cannot wear it. It's very, disgusting, or, that kind of words which I use, because if something is going to trigger a headache for me or anyone around me, I think that is not a perfume. It should be good for anyone around me. If you are wearing a perfume for yourself, maybe at night, you can experiment with, different perfumes that are very high pitched or maybe headache inducing perfumes. So this is my simple review about Valencia, Spirit of Valencia. I would give it like scent profile, I would give it 7 out of 10 because it is not very unique. It is kind of like similar to YSL perfume. And performance wise, I think it is going to perform like 5 to 6 hours. A bit overly sweet for my taste. I think if they tone down the sweetness and tone up the citrus, it would be more balanced for me. So we'll meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.